In the previous video, we configured a couple of data connectors. Azure Activity is one of them, but when I see it is not yet receiving logs from the Azure Activity. For that, I need to go to Azure Monitor and need to set diagnostic settings that sends activity logs to my log analytics workspace. That means the same log analytics workspace we collect information for Sentinel. Going back to Azure Monitor, Azure Monitor, now go to diagnostic settings. This is my log analytics workspace I have been using for Sentinel. So to this workspace, you should make sure that activity logs are being sent to. Give it a name. Our goal is to only have activity logs, but no harm in taking all the logs. Maybe we'll take all metrics as well. And we need to set the destination. Send to log analytics workspace. Yeah, it has selected because since we are going from that log analytics workspace. Yeah, I believe this is enough. Now let me see. It may take some time, but let me see if I'm getting activity logs to the Sentinel. Meanwhile, we'll check other connectors if they have been sending logs to the Sentinel. I have selected Microsoft Entra ID. I can see that last logs received is 16 minutes ago. That means we have been receiving logs from Microsoft Entra ID to Sentinel. I hope open the connector page to see more, understand more about it. There are 7 sign-in logs, 18 AAD management identity logs, 2 audit logs, so and so. Now we see that Entra ID is sending logs, but to check that to check those logs, just scroll down a bit and note what kind of logs are being sent. Let's make a note of this. And now try and see in the sign-in logs, audit logs, AAD, non-interactive user sign-in logs, all these tables. Let's see the data. Let's check out the data. For this, we need to go to log analytics workspace. Since here we can only see if there are any security alerts and the incidents. Here, if there are some alerts and incident related to Entra ID, will show here, but the normal logs will not be showing here. we need to go to Log Analytics Workspace. I'll go to Azure, search for Log Analytics Workspace. Okay, this is the Log Analytics Workspace where Sentinel is collecting the logs. Let's go and see. Okay, I'm in the Log Analytics Workspace. Let's go to logs. This is the place where all the logs are collected. And we'll go to tables in the logs. See, sign in logs. So is what we have seen, some logs sent from enter ID. So let's check out the log. Yeah, there are many logs. There are some logs. There are some logs. If we scroll to the end, you would see from where the logs are coming. Yeah, this column, resource display name. So there are some logs from Windows Azure Active Directory, which is nothing but enter ID. There are two logs from two sign-in logs from enter ID. Similarly, let's check out a couple of more tables. See here, it is also, you can also see that AID no interactive user sign-in logs table. There are some logs received from AID manage identity sign-in logs are also some logs received. Let's go and check these two. AID no AID no interactive user login, AID managed identity user login, user sign in. Yeah, you can see both in the starting only. AID managed identity. So we can see many logs. All are from recent couple of days. And this is from AID no non-interactive user sign-in logs. Here also logs from last couple of days. Okay, so this is it. So like to just have a quick understanding or review on the things. So this is how Sentinel collects all the logs which are put into Log Analytics Workspace, and then Sentinel apply some logic, apply some analysis intelligence, and it will create alerts based on that incidents. But the base is these logs. Based on these logs, if there is some anomaly, there is some unusual activity in these logs, it will create an alert. And based on the alerts, if there is a major issue, as per those alerts or because of those alerts, it will create an incident. So this is the basic understanding of Sentinel. All the logs will come here. From here, analysis will happen. Analytics will happen.